this video we'll be looking at the pairs activity found in the lesson activity toolkit. Let's have a look at the example they give us. Here you have 12 tiles which when clicked will turn around and reveal either a picture or a word. What the students need to do is come up and pair the word with the picture for this activity. We can use words with words, pictures with pictures to make it slightly more advanced. So the student would come up, click on two tiles. If they're not correct, they'll go back. Once you find a pair, they disappear. And so on until they're all gone. Let's have a look at how this activity works. On the front, on the top right hand side, we have the question mark where we click on, and this gives us information on how we can use this activity. Reset will bring all the tiles back and we'll shuffle them up from the last time. If I click edit, you'll see that this is where I create this pairs activity. So the first button I have is show tiles number. So if you click OK, you'll see I have 1 to 12. If I was to deselect that, you will see that I have no tile numbers on there. So we can use this for differentiated work or just to make it slightly different. Here we can choose how many pairs we want. It goes all the way up to 12 pairs, which means we'll have 24 tiles. And as you notice, they get a lot smaller. So pictures and words, especially longer words like beaver for example and butterfly here, are squashed so they won't fit in. So a nice activity is 6 pairs or less, as the size fits in and most of the words fit in properly. Then you'll see the tiles are paired up, 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6 and 6. This is where we actually pair them up. So in this instance we have a picture and then the word explaining it. You could have 2 pictures, you could have 2 words. Now should I want to modify this activity, or I've made an activity and I want to get rid of the pictures that I have, all I'll do is click on delete images and then go to the images that I want to delete. So delete the frog, delete the camel, and so on. Let's go have a look and see where we find this tiles activity. So if I click on the gallery tab, click on the plus next to lesson activity toolkit, I can go find the example we looked at in the example section, or I can click on the activities and scroll down to pairs. There you will see the 6 options I have for the different colors. Once again, you can double click or drag it in. I'm going to make this slightly smaller. Now this is only 2 pairs, as there's 4 tiles and I have 8 tiles. So I'm going to click edit. I'm going to go change the number to 4 pairs. And here you'll see again 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. I've gone and collected the stuff that I want to use already. I have a black chip and I'm going to match it with black. I have a red chip. I'm going to match that with red. Now you'll notice that it keeps the color right in, so you can make it a bit more creative. Let me take blue. All I'm doing is clicking, holding and dragging the words there. Green. If I wanted, I could simply type the word green, but there you'll notice it puts it slightly different. When I click OK, black will be in the middle there. Red is in the middle, blue, and you see green, because I typed it, it's on the top. So I'm going to go change that green by dragging over my green and it replaces what was there. And then I can start the activity. This activity is great for a starter or plenary, to get the kids' attentions or to summarize what they've done, a bit of assessment in a fun way. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.